Oh, look at that. Today I'm riding in one of my favorite places to ride anywhere. I'm in Hurricane, Utah, and I'm riding on the Gooseberry Mesa. And I'm about to enter into the North Rim Trail from the western side and proceed to the eastern end. So I've climbed up one of these gooseberries as a bit of a lookout here. And the yellow trail comes down through here. So these are what the gooseberry mounds look like. They're incredible to ride. And so I'm going to ride along the North Rim Trail. It goes right along the rim of the mesa here, Gooseberry Mesa, and we're looking north over to the Virgin Valley in that direction. So let's go ripper. Yeah, I think I've ridden North Rim 2 or 3 times before. And the dilemma of Gooseberry is which trail you want to ride in the downhill direction. And a lot of people pair the North Rim Trail with the South Rim Trail, which is a great plan, but the dilemma is then, which of those 2 trails do you ride downhill? Not like it's a lot, but it's 200 feet net. And so the same thing for this trail is, do you want to ride it uphill or downhill? So today I've started from the top of it and I'm riding with a little more pace. It has all these very cool rolls. Didn't quite get that one. So this is a blue intermediate trail, but it does have a little more of a skill, technical features occasionally that I would characterize as maybe hard blue. And then we come into the rim and we have all these incredible views here. Yeah, there's a little mud still in the trail from rain a couple of days ago. And I gave it an extra day to dry out. Let's stop and enjoy this. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So that's Virgin. The Virgin River goes through this valley here. And Zion is out that way, and Laverkin's right in here. It is such incredible geography, all the colors. But we carry on this way. Yeah, this trail is mostly a cross-country trail with a slight downhill tilt easternly. yeah, I was planning to ride the old favorite South Rim Trail, which is, in my opinion, the best one on this mesa. See if we can find, oh, looking for a hard line. Yeah, so I wanted to ride South Rim also in the easterly direction. So hence, which one are you going to choose? Well, what I did is I rode up the White Trail, which is a double track, and pretty lame as a mountain bike trail, but you know, there's actually some mounds near the end of it that you can session and play around a little bit, try and make riding up that trail worth it. Yeah, there are numerous peekaboo view vantage points along the way here. And so virtually every trail here has segments along the rim of the mesa, whether it's even the secret trail or gander or windmill, or so you get different vantage points. Yeah, you get different vantage points on different trails. So South Rim and secret trails. Hello.
There's one behind me.
Okay, thanks. A little technical shoot here. Almost. So as I was saying, the South Rim and Secret Trail give you viewpoints along the rim of the Apple Valley to the south of the mesa, whereas this North Rim and Windmill and Gander give you viewpoints of the Virgin Valley to the north. So they're all spectacular views, but different. And when you ride the Gander Trail, you're even further to the east, and so you get even a better vantage point of Zion and the mountains to the north. And then if you ride out to the Gooseberry Point, the tip of the mesa, you get the views to the west of Hurricane and out towards St. George. So all very cool scenic views, and meanwhile some really fun skateboard park type rolls all over the place. Hard line. Thanks. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm going to turn around and session that in the downhill direction a little easier. Nice. Here's another vantage point of these Gooseberry like dunes all over the place. This is my favorite segment of the entire trail. It's so cool in here. Okay, back to the easterly direction. Up and down, up and down. See, that's kind of what I meant by the skateboard park. All these rollers. Yeah, here's one of these rock berms I was talking about. So cool. Wow, what a fabulous ride. I'd forgotten how much fun that North Rim Trail is. All those really cool rock rolls just make it such a fun trail, combined with that scenery of the north end of the rim. So Gooseberry's fabulous. Come and check this out. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.